And we're back. I'm Jeff McKelka here at the Digital Health Live studio here on the floor of CES. I've got John Reites with me from Quintiles. John, thank you for taking some time to talk to us. Tell us a little bit about Quintiles.
Yeah, so Quintiles is the largest provider of product development and integrated health services, which means we do clinical research and we help customers commercialize drugs.
Okay, interesting. So basically around pharmaceuticals?
Correct. Mostly around biopharmaceutical and device, but it's really around helping our customers as the provider of choice to really help them get their products researched and then on the market.
Okay, do you do the whole FDA clearance thing?
That's correct, the whole 9 yards. So everything from phase 1, so sort of first in human, all the way through when a product is in the commercial market and being prescribed to patients.
So I understand you spoke upstairs. I've been down here for a while now. You spoke upstairs. Tell me a little bit about the topic of the panel and what you brought to the conversation.
Yeah, so the topic was really on the disruptive power of data, and specifically from mHealth and wearables.
Okay.
And my role is heading up a group that's new called Digital Health Acceleration. And so it's all about how do we quickly get these new wearables and mHealth and all these tech things you're seeing, how do we get them to be used with consumers who are patients in clinical research and in commercial programs? And how can we do that really quickly? Because as tech is really fast, we have to be really fast to apply it and use it in research we're trying to do with patients.
Sure, and who's the consumer of that research when you pull it all together?
Yeah,
is it the company itself or is it the industry?
It's a good question. The consumer is actually a lot of different stakeholders. It's the patient's the first consumer. Okay. You know, it's the research and it's about a patient. But we also have providers, which are doctors and physicians. We also have insurers, so payers. You've got government bodies, so everybody's a stakeholder and they actually see and use that data. So the reality is when we incorporate this stuff in these wearables, mHealth, into studies, we have to think about all those stakeholders. Because it's not just about that wearable, it's about a lot of data we're collecting from all of them to make a regulatory decision.
And everybody's excited about accelerating innovation and getting new solutions into market, but that comes at a risk, right? These are people's lives, they could get hurt. How do you mitigate that? How do you balance that out?
A good question. So the accelerator program we have works like 90 to 120 day MVPs, minimal viable products. So we test things really rapidly, but also very thoroughly. You know, Quintiles has been doing this, for 30 plus years. This is our business. So we have about 35,000 plus people around the world. This is what they do for a living. So incorporating digital health is just part of what we do, and it's just really incorporating that into all the data that we've been traditionally collecting, just knowing that there's different mechanisms on the table today.
Very interesting. So I'm afraid we're out of time. So if people want to learn more about Quintiles, reach out to you directly, how would they do that?
Yeah, if they want to learn more about Quintiles, to go to quintiles.com. And if they want to reach out to me for any questions, you can reach out via LinkedIn at John Reites.
Great, very good. Thanks for your time, John.
Thanks a lot.
Again, this is Jeff McKelka here at the Digital Health Live Summit. Very excited to be here. You can feel the music and hear the vibe of the CES show floor. I want to thank John Reites here and Quintiles for taking some time to get us up to speed.
Yeah, thanks.